Hello, Rogers Motor Cars here. We've got a 2020 Lincoln Navigator Reserve. This is a two-wheel drive. This is not the L, it's the short one. Sorry, we got kind of a cold, windy day here today. It's going to be a little loud. It's black on black. Original window sticker, $82,660. It does have the second row captain's chairs. Panoramic sunroof. Still in factory warranty. Has the power running boards, the approach lighting, 360 camera. No dings, no scratches on this. Good tires. We have one key fob. Clean title. Take a look inside. Third row back there. Nice console. Heated rear seats. Boards. Look inside. There's no wear really on this seat. It's pretty nice. 35,000 miles. Cooled seats up front. Has the Navigator drive modes. Nano roof. Nice vehicle. Give us a call, text, email. We do respond quickly. You can see all the pictures and all the information on the website, rogersmotorcars.com. Happy to answer any questions.